Good morning, class. Today we will continue our chapter 5 organizing. Today I am going to explain you about the factor affecting organizational design, functional structure, what are the advantages and disadvantages of functional organization. Factors of any organizational are determined on the following like environment, technology, human resources, strategy. These four are much important for any organization to fulfill its demand and supply. Now we are going to discuss the functional structure of any organization. Here is a structural tree is given over here. The main one and the head one is board of director. Okay. Afterwards, financial, marketing, HR, admin, etc. These are the second heads. Means after board of director, the financial manager, marketing manager, HR. These are the after board of director. Okay. In this chart, I have given also the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is what? Experience, specialist staff. Means if a person is belonging from marketing, then it goes to the marketing department. Standardization, greater communication, economic of scale, efficiency. But at the same time, there is disadvantages also, like lack of variety and job enrichment, limit flair and ingenuity, greater bureaucracy and form filling, compromise on functional requirement. Now discuss about the functional organizational structure and its feature. Functional structure is created by grouping the activities on the basis of functional required for the achievement of organizational objective. For this purpose, all the functions required are classified into basis, secondary, and supporting function and their features. The whole activity of an organization are divided into various functions. Each function are in put under the charge of one executive. For any decision, one has to consult the functional specialist. Limited span of control is there. Now discuss about the advantages of functional organization. Means easier management of a specialist, team member report to only one supervisor, similar resources are centralized, examples software developers to IT department. Means all the specialists are specialized for their department. Clearly defined career path in areas of specialization like developer become senior developer, expert developer, architect, etc. So these are the advantages of functional organization. If there is some advantages, at the same time they have also a disadvantages. So we are going to discuss the disadvantages of functional organization. Means people place more emphasis on their functional specialists to the determinant of their project. No career path in project management. The project manager has little or no authority.